Hello, and welcome to Arizona State University. I'm Brian Williams, Director of the School of Human Evolution and Social Change in the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. I'm excited for you to start your Sun Devil journey with us. You know, at the School of Human Evolution and Social Change, our goal is to not only preserve the past, but to learn from it, as well as our present, to help us create a healthier, happier, and more sustainable future. Now, whether your interests lie in archaeology, cultural anthropology, human origins, or global health, our degree programs are designed to help you reach your goals. Our school is invested in helping our anthropology, human biology, and global health students learn about what makes us human and to develop the skills needed to succeed. But that learning won't only happen from a textbook. We are innovators at developing undergraduate research experiences for students, allowing you to work alongside our globally recognized faculty through our research apprenticeship programs or through study abroad. And as a school that's repeatedly ranked #1 in the country for anthropology research, that means we have a lot of opportunities for you to be engaged, learn, and gain marketable resume-building skills. And these skills will prepare you to think critically, collect and analyze data, problem solve, and build relationships with your fellow students and your faculty mentors. I hope you have a great start to your academic journey at ASU. Please reach out if you have any questions. Let's explore together and discover the global human experience. I'll see you in class.